Hey everyone, Scott Barnes here with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and in this video, yes, it might be the end of November, but that does not mean you gotta get rid of your mustache. Let's go ahead and get into trimming that mustache the way we need to into the next following months. Let's go. Yeah, like I said, November's over, but that doesn't mean you need to be a part of the sheep herd that cuts off all of their mustache, right? So let's be an advocate. Let's keep growing that mustache out. And in fact, if we trim up our mustache, the growth can go a lot better. So let's jump into this, right? Now we have two types of scissors. We have a sharp tipped pair of scissors and we have a rounded tipped pair of scissors. Now, obviously in this one, for more precision, we're gonna go with the sharp tipped scissor. Now I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna take my scissors, and instead of going at an outward angle, we're actually gonna go in an inward angle as we cut. So why are we doing this? Why are we cutting downwards with the scissors instead of up? Now there's two reasons. One, if we go upward, right, we're actually meeting the top portion of the mustache, which I don't really wanna do. As we grow out our mustache, which a lot of gentlemen wanna do, they wanna blend it in. Let's actually cut at a downward motion, because that way the top portion, as you guys can see, the hairs right here still haven't gotten down to the top portion of my lip. So we want that to give it, we want to give that hair another week or so, right, to meet the bottom portion. So instead of cutting upward where this is going to meet up here, we want to keep it lengthwise down here. We want to come down, we want to come across, and we want to just meet the lip. Now also, if you guys can see, I'll get these hairs that are kind of walrusing down into the lip. Those are the hairs I want to cut. The reason why we're gonna be cutting this is we're gonna be adding product. Now, from there we have two options, okay? We can actually have a dramatic line which comes down into the handlebar, right? Or we can flare out the sides and we can actually blend that in, okay? Those are your two options that you can do. Now that we have accomplished that line, right? Or the blend into the handlebar, we have two options now, okay? We can either leave it, let the hair grow, right? But this is, I think, is the pivotal time to start adding mustache product, mustache wax, in fact, from Volt. Let's go. In doing so, the line on your mustache is gonna create the foundation of a great either handlebar or just that thick, bushy mustache. Now, this is where we need to maintain. Now, pull out some mustache wax, okay? We're gonna get some here from Volt. All right, we just don't need a lot, because this is where we're gonna start training our mustache. We just need a little bit, all right? Now, what I like to do is, I like to put it in between my first finger, my thumb, and my middle finger, okay? We want these three guys, and I'll show you why, okay? We're gonna start from the bottom, okay? This is where the training starts. We're gonna start from the bottom, and we're gonna start moving it to the side, okay? Now, you can also have an option of just going straight down. That's totally fine, whatever you want. For me, I like pushing things to the side, because I like that natural handlebar. Plus, like when I'm drinking and eating, it pushes things to the side, because once it starts going full walrus, like the food and the drinks are just, it's inedible and undrinkable. It just happens, okay? Once we go from the bottom, we're gonna push out to the side. So see how we got the handlebar? We're gonna push this part up and out. Now this is where the middle finger and the thumb come in, all right? We're gonna push out, we're gonna curve up, and instead of twisting, right? We're gonna grab with our middle finger here, and then we're gonna pinch in, all right? So we go up, we go out, and then we're gonna pinch with the middle finger in, right? So we're kind of making a little sign, right? Like a little eye sign that you would do. So you're coming out, you're bringing it up, pinch it, and then hold it. And then that'll get you guys a good frame to start. So we go to the side, we pinch, we hold, we let it sit, and then we bring the rest on the top, okay? That right there is molding the mustache. We just mowed through November. If you grew it a couple weeks out before and you started mowing through, even better. Now you've got a great foundation, like I said, and going into December and January, you're gonna have a great fulfilling mustache. Now we've got that foundation, let's put in some beard oil from Volt, all right? We're just gonna give it a little dab. And look, we don't even have to put it in our hands and rub it in. Just dip it in there, dive it in there, push it back. We are good to go. So my recommendation is to keep going, keep growing, and put that product in to start molding where you need to go with that mustache, all right? So with that, make sure to like and hit that notification bell. That way you're getting the latest and greatest from Volt. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.